Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Audi RS6 in BeamNG Drive. First, you'll need to locate a trustworthy source for BeamNG Drive mods. Once you've found a good site, download the specific Audi RS6 mod file. It's crucial to verify that the mod is compatible with your current BeamNG Drive game version to avoid any issues during installation or gameplay. This process is straightforward if you follow these initial steps carefully. To download the mod, begin by searching for BeamNG Audi RS6 mod on reputable modding websites. Prioritize sites known for safe downloads and active communities. Always check for recent updates to the mod and read user reviews to ensure quality and functionality. Once you've identified a suitable mod, click the provided download link. The file will typically be a compressed zip archive, ready for the next step. Now let's install the mod. First, find your BeamNG Drive user folder. A common path is within your app data folder, or you can access it via the game's launcher under Manage User folder and open in Explorer. Inside, locate the mods directory. Simply drag and drop the downloaded zip mod file directly into this mods folder. It's important not to extract the contents of the zip file. The game reads it as is. After placing the mod, launch BeamNG Drive. The Audi RS6 should now be available in your vehicle selection menu. If the mod doesn't appear or you encounter texture issues, try clearing your game's cache through the BeamNG Drive Launcher's Support Tools menu. For persistent problems, visiting BeamNG Drive mod forums can provide valuable troubleshooting tips and community support. Many common issues have already been addressed there.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.